Guangdong JYC Battery Manufacturer Company Limited is a professional battery manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales and service of lead-acid battery for UPS systems, gel battery for solar and wind-generated power systems, tubular battery for deep cycle applications, and front terminal series for telecom systems. We are located in Shaoguan City, which is 2 hours away from Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport. The state-of-the-art manufacturing plant, finely tuned for efficiency. JYC is dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. With our experienced staff members, we're always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipments and building up 16 auto production lines. In addition, our factory has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and OHSAS 18001 certificates. And our products have got CE, ROHS certificates and passed IEC test. JYC batteries sold well at home and abroad from more than 100 countries. We are looking for global JYC distributors for win-win partnership. Also, OEM and ODM orders are welcome. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your applications, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. JYC, the power we care.